Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to go over some of my EDCs. If you don't know what that is, everyday carry items. First off, I'm going to go with this Benchmade Arcane knife. It's a good knife. Maybe to some people it's overpriced. I spent a significant amount on it. If y'all want to guess in the comments, go right ahead. My other everyday carry is my phone, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, which I've had for a little over 2 years. Then my Galaxy Watch 3, which I've had since May of last year. I don't carry this knife all the time. Well, it usually stays in my car. So if I'm on a long road trip, I know I can protect myself. Even though if someone else had a gun, came up to my car and, well, took me out, they could, but at least I know I'm safe with this, which is a K-Bar Mini. I haven't yet had to use it. Then my wallet, of course, which is a Coach wallet. Yeah, I know it's a luxury item, not really necessary. But in January, around my birthday, I felt like I wanted something that's a better quality of wallet than what came from Walmart. Then last items are my keys. And that's it. Yes, I do like knives. I do carry knives. I don't carry a pistol just because I just don't like pistols. I've shot pistols. I just don't like pistols. I'm more of a rifle kind of guy. Or a bow and arrow. Should I open up a P.O. box for if you are a brand that's watching and wants me to review your items? You could send it there. Or what should I do? Let me know down in the comments. I'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.